Hey space fans! Flashback to 1977, a time of disco balls and cosmic calls. Introducing the WOW signal. August 15th, the Big Ear telescope catches a wild signal. Astronomer Jerry Ehman? He's so shocked he writes WOW on the printout. Seriously, wow. Was it an alien DJ's latest track? A cosmic prank call? Or just space static? No one knows. Alien mixtape? Star burp? Satellite sneezing? It's the ultimate cosmic mystery. Sherlock, we need you. Love this mystery? Hit like, subscribe, and stay curious, space cadets. Keep watching the skies.